How to fix Messenger select account problem. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of this channel. If you're also having this issue where you are not being able to change your account on Messenger, then let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end without skipping any part. The first thing that you can do in order to solve this issue is update your app of Messenger. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Messenger. If there are any new updates, just tap on update and update your app. Updating apps helps to fix glitches and bugs which may be causing the issue. So once you update the app, try to see if this fixes the issue. If this does not, the second thing that you can do is tap and hold your Messenger app and open up app info or this eye icon. Once you open up this, you'll land on the Messenger interface. From here, you'll just need to tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. What this going to do is clear your cache and also the data of your Messenger. So it's going to log you out of your Messenger app, and it's also going to clear the caches which may be causing that glitch. Once you do that, try to see if you can switch your account or select an account on Messenger. If you're still getting this error message of selecting an account, the other thing that you can also do is completely remove Messenger from your phone. So just uninstall Messenger from your phone, and once the app has been uninstalled, again open up your Play Store and then download the Messenger app. This is also a great way of fixing these kind of glitches which may be causing the issue. Now even if you do all of these steps, you're still getting this error message, then the last thing that may have happened is Messenger is down right now or Meta is down right now. If that is the case, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before you use Messenger again, and your problem of select account on Messenger will be fixed. So just wait out a couple of hours and use Messenger again, and your problem should be fixed. So those are the couple of steps that you can try out. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.